guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. For today's video we're going to be doing some spring stuff. Just coming up with a fun way that I could incorporate a lot of those spring things into a vlog with you guys, all while simultaneously hanging out with Arthur because he is still here for 2 more days. He's currently so anyways,
Daddy's back!
That he is. And today we're going to do some, or tonight we're going to do some, because it's already 5 p.m. some spring stuff. Now earlier I was going to be vlogging this. We got set back a little bit. So it's kind of like a mixture of like things that cheer me up slash spring bucket list things. And also really quick, I know that we already talked about this. I have filmed a lot of spring gisting videos and such. The first one's actually going live. Well, the first spring video, well, this is also a spring video, but the spring, okay. Basically what I'm getting at is the spring gist video is next Wednesday. We were just at my dad's wedding for the weekend, which I got a little bit of B-roll. You got some B-roll.
Oh, yes, I did.
Amber, your turn, come on. Complimentary cheers. Yes. Guys, we're doing this in the most classiest of ways.
Let's have a nice round of applause.
We did that for the weekend and went to Niagara with my family. And then, yeah. We also haven't updated on the whole like reading list in a while. I know I shared with you guys what my 2018 or 2019 reading list is going to be. And so now that it's April, I am reading The Leave Your Mark by Aliza Licht. I'm actually pretty decently far into this one because I started reading it in March. I've been a little bit ahead on the non-fictions. Falling Awake by Kabat-Zinn. Now if you guys remember, at the end of 2018 I read Wherever You Go There You Are. This is his second book. So those are the 2 books I'm reading right now. There's that life update or spring update. I guess it's just a whole bunch of spring updates.
And yes, I know what you're thinking.
What?
I got a new shirt on.
Did you change again?
That's right.
No, I like that one. And we're gonna go to the greenhouse and shoot some photos for this blog post. And we're gonna grab some dinner potentially, maybe go to a grocery store. I don't know, we're gonna kind of go with the flow. Before we jump into it, before I forget, I wanna know what things you guys are doing this spring. So leave a comment down below what books you're reading, what music are you listening to. I'll also leave my latest spring playlist. Are you changing up your look? Did you go to a wedding? I wanna know all the things. And aside from that,
And she really does, because she really does care.
aside from that, let's roll into some greenhouse B-roll. Go. Bye, buddy. We'll be back. I'm excited to get a good old Canadian food restaurant. My day is made. There's turtles. Gotta swimwear, Lakota swimwear. Look, it comes in like a little baggie. Picked up a new bathing suit because we go to California next week. Is that next week? Week and a half? So I picked up this one. It's in the whole mauve theme we've been going for. By we, I mean I've been going for. So it's gonna be cute. Okay, so before I close out on my get ready with me for spring, I pretty much finalized all of the planning and like project and all of that stuff that I have to go through from now until I would say like June, July, starting with our road trip. I did like a bullet journal spread for April and I ended up filming it with you guys or for you guys so you guys could see basically how I mapped out, I guess spring/April. Yeah, I guess just April, but still in my planner. So the first thing I did was a monthly spread, kind of like I did in the last plan with me with you guys. It was on the Coast channel, but I went through and on the left side I put out my goals for the month and my reminders for the month, like to pay rent. I didn't forget this time around. Was that our lattes? And then on the right side I just did like a monthly, just all the dates and then all the things that were going on within those dates, like my dad's wedding and our trip, like we're doing like a road trip from Arizona to California. And then I did another little habit bar. Like the habits that I'm working on this month are sleep 8 hours, write 45 minutes a day, try and cook every day, work out, stretch, meditate, and read 2 chapters. So those are like my habit bars, so I can just track which days I actually get those habits done and which ones I get only like some, and some of which 2 actually in particular that I didn't get any of those things done. That's cool. Next page, I did like a little mini dream board. So I don't know if I've talked about this with you guys before, but the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, it's basically 5 years, 4 months, 3 weeks, 2, I did months, but it's supposed to be 2 days. And then I did 1 year instead of 1 day. So you can really make 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 like any kind of time stamp you wanted. So for the 5 years, I wrote down just like my goals for now for the 5 years. And just like tapped back into what I want to be doing for my goals for the next 4 months, because I went back and read my goals from November and some of them actually came true for April, which is really cool. So I did it for now until July, so we'll check back in the summertime and see which of those will be done. For instance, I have write catching in here, which is the second book to Catcher. So I'm hoping by July the writing a portion of that will be complete. And then in 2 months there's a Vegas trip coming up for Larissa's birthday, and then in 1 year I had basically what I wanted to do for now until 2019, then 1 month, then 1 week, and then for that exact day. And then on the right side I made a manifest it board and I just wrote down like basically what I'm ordering up from the universe for specifically the springtime and actually just life in general, because there's some big ones on there. The next spread that I did was a gist spread. Now the part 2 to this spring like get ready with me gist style vlogs that we're doing, the second part is actually going to be the gisting, so you guys are going to see how I moved around my office into here as opposed to out there. I still need to decorate out there, so we're going to do that in that video too. And I show you guys just like new little accents that I added to my room. Like I got this Mappleful map for New York from our New York trip. I feel like I keep on verbally shouting our New York trip, but it was one of my favorite vlogs, so if you guys didn't see it, go watch it. I'll link it on the screen. But I got a Mappleful map, and I also have a discount code for Mappleful, which I will leave in the description in case you guys are curious. Got some new plants, some new essential oils. We're going to go through all of that in the part 2 for this video. But I just basically wrote out my gist plan of how I wanted to change up my room and my office and just get like a fresh, clean slate for the season. And then my routine, I just rewrote out what I want my routine to be, which if you guys want a workday routine video, I feel like that would actually be cool. Instead of stopping at the morning, just going through the full day. I've been forcing Arthur to go through my routines with me. What do you think about them? Do you like the spring routine?
Yes, I do.
Makes
me feel more productive. I like the coffee immediately in the morning. Immediately.
Oh, you heard it there first, folks.
And I like the meditation part / nap.
Meditate and I look over you and Bentley are cuddling. Just KO'd. So yeah, I wrote down my work routine and then like a little mini night routine, which I filmed my night routine already for spring. This was the exact night routine I did. So if you guys also didn't see that, I'll link it on the screen. But let me know if you guys would prefer a morning routine for spring or like a work day routine, because I feel like I've really sharpened up my work day. And then just like a soul gist, which I'm not done yet, but I just basically just how I plan on just like rerouting my soul, my purpose. Why is this guy chopping wood right now? The next spread I did is a little spread for, like I mentioned, we're doing a road trip this month. So if you guys remember, I did a puppy adventure this month last year with Bentley, and this year I'm doing it with Arthur. So we're going to be taking Bentley for
I'm her puppy.
Bentley's my puppy.
Oh.
You can be his stepdad. This year, I wanted to take Bentley on another puppy adventure for his birthday, which was yesterday. He's now 6. Bentley, where are you? I see a butt. You guys see the badge? So for Bentley's puppy adventure this year, we're going to be going to the West Coast, specifically because last year we went to the East Coast of Florida. So we're going to take Bentley to California. We're going on a little road trip at the end of April for his birthday. So I made a little spread, you see, for the days that we're going to be gone and what we were going to do for our adventures all those days, because we're going to go camping a couple days. It's going to be so much fun. I'm really excited. Hence the bathing suit. Then I have a little road trip planning and cost breakdown. So there's like the flights, the dates, ideas, places, budget to do and to pack. And last but not least, I did a content schedule for April, which has all the podcasts I'm uploading, all of the weekly vlogs that I upload every Wednesday, so my Wednesday weeklies, and then the new project that I'm working on for Co's, which we will talk about very soon, but I can't tell you guys about yet because it's not ready yet. That's pretty much it. That was all of the getting ready I did for like spring in general. We started with our first little spring photo shoot of the season at the greenhouse, which was definitely a nice little spirit refresher. Oh, are our lattes here now?
Yes.
Yes. So I started with the greenhouse and getting those shots done for my blog, which made me feel like I'm getting my blog kickstarted again, and then getting this vlog out to you guys. We've also been working on another really cool spring-related fitness video and just getting all of our stuff ready for our road trip next week. So I feel like now that all my project planning is done, I'm going to get back into doing the second part of this vlog, which is pretty much going to be actually like spring cleaning and just like organizing and getting everything ready with my room and my office and everything. And then it's going to be off to California, to which I will be filming another puppy vlog. Aside from that, I hope you guys enjoyed this little spring vlog and hanging out with us for a day. Gimme. Give me the coffee. Nobody messes with my coffee. Alright, which one's which? This is yours.
Yeah.
Chocolate hazelnut with oat milk. The man.
The myth, the legend, King Arthur.
Coconut almond milk latte for the missus.
The missus, the myth, the queen, Khaleesi.
So with that, I'm choosing you guys my new latte. And I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye guys.